Hi everyone, welcome to another ArcGIS tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna to show how can you change the projection of a raster. As you can see, I have already loaded up the DEM, and first of all I gonna to check the existing or predefined projection of this DEM raster. To do that, you simply right click on the layer name and go to properties, and over here under spatial reference, as you can see that it is already defined into WGS 1984 geographic coordinate system. So in this tutorial I'm going to change the projection from geographic coordinate system into projected coordinate system. The tool that you can use to do that, you can find it in Arc toolbox under data management tools, and go to projections in the transformations, and if you expand the raster option, you can see that there is one option called project raster. You can simply double click on that, and as your input raster you can use your current raster. Once you define your input raster, you will be able to see your current existing coordinate system over here like this, and over here you have an option to define the output coordinate system. So in this case I'm going to go to projected coordinate system, under UTM WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere, and the UTM zone 37, because this term is actually corresponding to a part of Ethiopia, Amhara region. And over here you can define the path to save the new projected raster. And over here, as you can see, if you want to change the grid cell size of the raster, you can also do that in the same time. Actually, I will create a separate video tutorial on resampling if you need to change the grid cell size from the existing cell size to different grid cell size, which will result in changing the resolution of your raster. You can stay informed. I will create a separate video tutorial next time, and for this tutorial I'm gonna to leave as it is since it's optional, and click OK. As you can see, the process has started. Alright, as you can see, we have the projected raster over here. Just to be sure, let me go ahead and check the spatial reference. Go to properties, and under spatial reference, as you can see, we have successfully reprojected the raster from WGS 1984 geographic coordinate system into UTM zone 37 north. So that is all about this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you would like to see more interesting GIS tutorials, I recommend you to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.